Good afternoon and a warm welcome from PowerTech. This short episode is just really to introduce coaxial shunts. And here we have a coaxial shunt. For those that have not seen these devices before, here's the business end where the current would go in, for example, into that stud, and then it would return back down the barrel after going through the current measuring element and then into your PCB, your circuit. And then, of course, the output voltage would come out of that BNC. And the accuracy, we can get like accuracies from terms of the resistance to about 0.1%. So they're pretty accurate, but more to the point, they retain that relationship. The voltage current relationship is pretty flat over a wide bandwidth into hundreds of megahertz and down to DC. So a very useful device, particularly if you look at today's power electronics where so many engineers are looking at rise and fall times of switching devices, because clearly that's where a lot of the power, lots of the power is lost during that transition. The output is not isolated, so bear that in mind. You have to consider that when you're building this into your circuit to avoid things like common mode and ground loops, all manner of things like that. It is called a coaxial shunt, but it is also called a current viewing resistor, which makes sense, I guess, but you can expect to see it parading under both of those names. Once again, my name's Derek Luce at PowerTech. We have a lot more information in our videos about mounting these devices, where you might prefer to use a Rogowski coil and why, Hall effect devices and thick film resistors. You can reach out to us at info@powertechuk.com or info@powertechus.com. Thank you very much for listening.